Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Owii Codes. So in this video, I'll give you a complete walkthrough of a website that is called as an ArtificialAnalysis.ai. So why this ArtificialAnalysis.ai? This is perfect for anyone choosing the right AI model or API for their projects. So the object and purpose of this video is to find the best AI model to choose for your project. So, out of all those internet search, I found this artificialanalysis.ai the best website to compare all the models. Uh, here I'll be discussing what this website will be useful for. So, if you find anything interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this helpful. So, as you can see, this is the landing page of the website where you can see on the top bar all the models are listed here. So, when you hover on models, you can see there are models and all models are listed here. So, based on all these models, you can select and compare and see the which models highlights are best for your project if you are looking for the comparison with respect to other AI models such as GPT, Gemini, Llama, Meta, DeepSeek, all those. So you can see that the highlight of this website shows that based on the intelligence, speed, and price. So as you can see on the intelligence chart, GPT-5 high is 67%, almost like click for more information, like almost 67% uh, intelligence is for chat GPT-5. So you can see these like Meta, Llama Maverick is having only 36 count on intelligence. Coming to the speed, Gemini 2.5 Flash is having a 256 tokens per second. Higher is better. Speed as per the speed when it compares to Gemini 2.5 Flash, it is when comparison with the speed, Gemini 2.5 Flash is better. See, for DeepSeek, this is the Chinese model which is having a speed of 20. Now coming to the price, 1 million token, lower is better. So which is consuming less token is better. So GPT OSS 120 B high, that is 0.3. This means that this is lower is better. So 0.3, this is better. And when compares to Cloud 4.1 Opus, it is 30 USD per 1 million token. So this is the website where you can find all the models, and also you can see like which there are which models or which AI are there to convert text to image. So these are the models, these are the image generation models and API providers where you can find. This is the why I'm saying this is the best, because it here you will find all the models of all your categories, whatever you want, that is available here. When you walk through this website, you will see all those as per your requirement. You can compare and identify like whether this model is preferable for me, or like whatever suits for you. You can categorize, you can find, you can compare, and based on that you can pick your models as for your project. So let's go scroll down and see like what are the what see, as you can see that intelligence, based on intelligence. So you can see GPT-5 here it's showing 98, right? Now going back, so frontier language model intelligence over time. This means that ki, based on the time growth over time, which model, which artificial analysis index is growing faster. So based on the release date as well, when you hover that, you can see that ki, this GPT 3.5 Turbo launched on November 22, and how its growth, how it is growing. You can see that if you'll hover here, so this will show the growth of Alibaba, Anthropic, DeepSeek, Google, LGAI Research, Meta, Mistral, Monoshoot AI, OpenAI, Upstage, XAI, ZAI. So this is where you can compare all your things, and you can pick the models as per your project. So you can see that key intelligence evaluation. These are the results claimed by AI Lab. Not independently verified, but this is like higher is the better. So Cloud 4.1 88%. This is better when comparing to. So yeah. So here, when it compares to MMLU Pro Reasoning and Knowledge, so which is better? Cloud 4.1 is better. So there are all the models listed here. So Gemini is 2.5 Flash, that is having 83% reasoning and knowledge. So coming to the scientific reasoning, so which gives the perfect result for which AI models give perfect result for scientific reasoning? Because based on our projects, if our projects is related to the reasoning and scientific reasoning, we are if we are going to pick for the project that deals with the scientific reasoning, so for which model we should get the accuracy and with proper result. So here you can see that Grok 4 that gives 88% of accurate result when it compares to the scientific reasoning. Here all the like DeepSeek give 81%. Now, this Llama gives 75%. Now coming to the reasoning and knowledge based on humanity last exam, like what? So here also you can find the graph and all the models listed here with the percentage, like with reasoning and knowledge. Code bench on coding bench, which is better. So Grok 4 is better, Gemini 2.5 after that, and after that Quinn 3, and after that open source, GPT, DeepSeek, all those models with all those versions, and like which versions as well. Ki this version gives the result based on this evaluation. This is giving that this results. So when it is coming to the science coding, AIMI 2005 competition, math, all those things, you can pick whatever suits for your project. Based on that, you can pick the model, you can compare all the models, pricing, indexing, accuracy, all those are available here. If you'll scroll down, so as token as well, ki, output token used to run artificial intelligence index. So on what basis, how which model take the higher token giving the results. So you can see these things. Answer token is 1.6 million, reasoning token 120 million. So if you'll click this, it will take you to the entire details and more information related to this. Going back, cost to run artificial analysis intelligence index. So input cost, all the models, input cost, output cost, reasoning cost, everything whatever is needed to pick a model for your project is, you can compare here and pick the best that suits for your project. There are lot of comparison. Now coming to speed and latency. So output is speed, output tokens per second, higher is better. So Grok, I can see like in this, until now I can see that Grok is coming is better than the other, but when you compare, then only you will get to know that this model is best when comparing to these things. So latency, time to first answer token. So these are the things. So thinking, reasoning model, seconds to first answer, processing, thinking, reasoning models, when end-to-end response time, how it is responding, how much time it is taking, all those things, all those things. Intelligence versus output speed. Sometimes it is that ki some models give the results within a less second, but the things that you are looking for, that is not achieved. So that will not be a preferable, or that will not be the expected things for you. Suppose if you wanted the result based on the science reasoning, you got the answer in 0.1 second on another model, but that is not related to what you are looking for, then that is a waste. There you will lose your tokens as well. Now coming, the best thing that you can compare the price as well. You can compare the price as well. Ki suppose if you want for some time, or like your budget is low, so you can compare the price as well. So price is now based on USD per 1 million token. So these are all price listed for 1 million token. Intelligence as well as price log scale. So you can see all those comparison here. There are a lot of comparison from everywhere and with every models, like hardware benchmarking, API provider performance, everything, output speed, price GPT, input output price, output speed over time, GPT OSS 120 billion, everything you need. So, who is the here you can see a table where you can see that key who is the creator and like what are the license provider, context window, further analysis. If you want to go to more depth of the model, you can go to the model and API provider. You can see all the models listed here. Now coming to Grok with every version like Grok 1, Grok 3, 3 Reasoning Beta, Mini, Grok 4. GPT-4, 4.0, 4.5, 4.5 mini real time, everything you will be able to. Palm 2, Gamma by Google. These are by Google. Gemma 3, Gemini 2.5, Gemini 2.5 Flash, Lite 2.5 Pro. So the Meta provides these models. Now coming to Cloud. Cloud is Anthropic. Cloud is provided by Anthropic. So all those models, Mistral AI, everything. Now DeepSeek is a Chinese thing. So here you can see with the version as well, ki which model with which version when it launched, everything. Perplexity, Amazon Web Service, AWS, Microsoft, Liquid, Upstage. I know that ki most of us don't know about like these are the models that are available for us. Uh, we can pick these models for our AI projects. Literally, no one like most of us don't know the ki these are the models. Like Nvidia also, Nvidia provider that provides the Llama, Monoshot AI, Kimi K2, IBM also Granite 3.3, Reka, Hums, GLM model, Kohar, A121 Labs, Alibaba also provides Quen model, Quen AI model, OpenChat, DeepSeek, Llama, Snowflake, all those things. Now, when you'll come to the models, here you'll see all the models, providers as well, open source model, what are the open source model available, AI chatbots, everything, speech like text to image, what are the models that is available for our project, that if our project requirement is from text to image, then which models we can select, speech to text, text to speech to speed, video generation. When you'll click these things, it will come and show you the leaderboard, show you the testing. See, if I'm checking text to speech, it will first verify and it will show you one model example. See, everything, everything, whatever you need, that it shows you the preview as well with different like voice. You can check the leaderboard. You can check the personal leaderboard, image editing, text to speech. Now let's text to image. Okay, these are the things, these are the models that are available. You can easily pick up and pick the best model that suits for your project. So this is the full tour of ArtificialAnalysis.ai. I have shown you I have shown you the entire models. I have shown you the comparison where you can filter by speed, quality, price, explore unbiased, up-to-date analysis and independent benchmarking, understand which model API is right for your project, which AI model is best. So you can pick anything from it. So this website is having independent, updated, and recent market reports and provides some easy tools for detailed comparison of language models and provider. These websites are great for developers, businesses, and students wanting unbiased, timely AI insights. Navigation, simple section for model comparison, API insights, and survey highlights. Efficient for quick finding. Yes, this is the best. Within less time, you will be able to get to know the best model as per your requirement. So it compares you the with the price as well. Uh, why? Why this is because like this is best out of everywhere. Closing call to action. If you are choosing an AI model or just want to learn more about the current landscape, artificial in an invaluable up to date resource, check it out. Check it out. This website is must for picking up the AI models. I hope like these insightfuls are very much useful for you. And if you find this useful, don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe. So I am Mohammad Owaisattar, a full stack web developer having a 3 years of experience, and I just want to like share whatever I'm learning. I should share and share my insights, and the person who is willing to learn will be able to learn from my videos. I'll be posting weekly one insights of my learning. So I will be expecting likes, shares, comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in next week with another video with some good insights and with some good learning. Thank you so much. And you can follow me on Instagram as well. My Instagram handle I'll add in my description. You can follow, hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in next week.